The 9 principles of effective communication. Number 1, clarity. As a sender of a message, you will deliver a specific message. Your message should have very specific goals. So rather than trying to say too many things at the same time, make sure that you state clearly what you want your audience to do. So make it clear about the intention of your message. Number 2, concreteness. Meaning, message should be specific instead of general. Misunderstanding of words creates problem for both parties, sender and receiver. When you talk your client, always use facts and figures instead of generic or irrelevant information. Number 3, courtesy. It is the respect that we show to others. And in business communication, also it means the same thing. You should show respect to your reader by having courteous communication. Number 4, correctness. Means addressing your intended audience in an appropriate manner. For example, a letter to a board of director would use much more formal language than a memorandum of your managers. As another example, you would want a very business-like but friendly tone when calling potential vendors. Number 5, consideration. Consideration implies stepping into the shoe of others. Effective communication must take the audience into consideration. Example, the audience viewpoints, background, mindset, education level. Number 6, creativity. Communication is just as simple as it sounds. It's communicating creatively in a way that best connects with your target audience. Like all communication, its intent is to help bring clarity to your marketing through either visual aid or other forms of interaction with viewer. Number 7, conciseness. Means wordiness. Communicating that you would to convey in least possible words without foregoing the other C's of communication. Conciseness is a necessity for effective communication. It underlines and highlights the main message as it avoids using excessive and needless words. Number 8, cultural sensitivity is the state of being aware of existence of cultural differences or similarities between each other without considering any culture of measure of something good or bad, positive or negative. Number 9, captivating. Communication that addresses the need of meaning so that you create a real connection with your audience and make your customers feel special and to turn into fans. Positioning and communication strategy that removes doubts of that your customers feel there's no one like you can get excited about your offer. That's the 9 principles of effective communication. Thank you.